Hi, I'm Henry.
And I'm Ian.
And we are BOSH. Today we're going to be cooking you
a world first, chestnutella.
Sounds incredible, Christmassy, velvety, hazelnut spread.
That's exactly right. Well, chestnut spread, but there is
Christmassy, velvety,
chestnut chocolate spread.
It's going to be incredible. Let's do this.
First up, there's 180 grams, which is one packet, vacuum packed chestnuts. They're going in for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. In here, we've got dark chocolate, and we're just gonna melt it down. So this is gonna take a little while, so it's important to break up your chocolate nice and small. So now this chocolate has melted, we're gonna get the chestnuts out the oven and get going. The idea is we're going to make a nut butter, and in order to do that, we need to mix it with a little bit of salt. Very good.
Just whiz this up.
Yeah, now, whiz, whiz, whiz.
Now the chestnuts have broken down, but we want to really get it into a smooth, creamy butter, so we're going to add some liquid.
First up, soy milk to add a bit of sweetness. Maple syrup is going to make that blend amazingly.
Moment of truth.
Fingers crossed, guys. There we go.
This looks like the perfect time to add our chocolate.
Oh, hello. Yeah, you want to scrape that bowl, make sure that all that good chocolate is gone straight into that blender.
So good.
Waste not, wants not.
Exactly, this is zero waste cooking, basically.
Exactly.
Look at that, finally, after a long time of blending and scraping and blending and scraping, we are there. It's incredible.
And you know, best thing about this, you can spread it on absolutely anything.
What like?
Apples, croissants.
Apples, that's a rogue one. How do you feel about Nutella, chocolate spread? What would you do with it? Whack it on croissants, put it on toast. Apples, as Ian thinks?
Dip a nice quarter of an apple in there, man, you're away.
That jar looks proper legit. Look at the top of that.
Oh my God.
I mean, is that ready to spread
I
or
reckon.
what?
What are you going to spread yours on?
Dude, I'm going for a bagel. I feel like bagel is the vibe for me.
Very good. And now I said that it's going to work well with an apple, so I'm going to see if it is.
Come on, man, you and this apple thing.
Here we go, check it out. It worked perfectly. That's genuinely really, really nice.
I think it's croissant time.
And mate, it's a plant-based croissant, maybe
Of course.
Before
Everything
you kick off.
is always 100% dairy-free. There you have it, guys. That was the incredible chestnutella.
Super creamy, super tasty, super chocolatey.
If you like that video, hit the like button.
And if you want more of this lovely content, subscribe.
We'll see you next time. Bish!
Bye!
BOSH!